Unbelievable. Nice park. Well, if you haven't figured it out, we're not in Indiana, and I'm not filming or taking pictures of covered bridges. We're in Rocky Mountain National Park on the St. Vrain Creek Trail here in Wild Basin area.
You know, you're recording yourself.
I know. And this is Calypso Cascades. You can tell from the sound, definitely a waterfall. Plus I'm eating a granola bar, so don't hold it against me. But I will show you some pictures of what's going on here. Shooting this, basically using a 3-stop ND filter, F11, ISO 100. Shutter speeds are varying because the light's varying a little bit. We're about 9:30 in the morning. About 2 miles up this creek before you get here. Another 9/10 of a mile up, there's another waterfall. Passed 3 or 4 on the way up. Took some pictures of them. We'll put those in, here at the end, so you can see some of the different images I've taken along this creek if you ever want to come out here. But, again, this is, what you do. You get out, just find something to shoot. Shoot what you like. Shoot. Take images, based on what you're looking for. As much as I shoot covered bridges in Indiana, because again, that's what we have. This is what I really like. I like being out in the woods, the mountains, with scenes like this. They're trying to capture this, using, like a leading line here, foreground elements with the rocks. Up in, shooted both the portrait and landscape. Try not to cut off the trees on some of the portrait style, style shots, but most importantly, you just want to try to capture the image. But it was a nice hike getting up here. But I'll tell you, it's definitely worth the trip. Something you should be looking at. If you ever get out here at Rocky Mountain National Park, you definitely want to do this. This is definitely a great, off the beaten path. I'll say beaten path. This isn't, along Bear Lake Road. The Wild Basin area is kind of remote. So it's not a place where everybody comes. It's not super busy. You get up here and actually at times feel like you're by yourself. Gonna take a few more images. I'll throw them in at the end. Hopefully you can hear me over the waterfall, but thanks for coming along. The Wild Basin area of Rocky Mountain National Park is truly one of my favorite places. If you're ever out in that area, please make sure you take the time to hike any of the trails that are there. It'll definitely be worth it. And if you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe, or hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, or the notification bell. Thanks for your time. Stay safe.